guys, it's time to celebrate! The Sicily Lovers Tour is starting now! Wow!
Careful! Attenzione, bravo, giusto. Ma che un botto!
Vai con questo, vai con
Here we
questo.
go!
Another one, please!
Give it up for Rosella!
It's going to be much better with a glass of wine. Oh.
Salute! Salute! Salute!
Still waiting for Domenico! But I can't miss the opportunity to meet these beautiful Sicily lovers and to start the Sicily Lovers Tour with them. Cheers!
Cheers!